Okay, I'm refilming this entire intro because this stupid freaking clip keeps falling down, but it's really cute, so I'm not mad. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kiana, and today I'm going to show you 5 ways to style a basic black t-shirt dress. All of my looks are pretty unique, I think. I tried not to do like basic things like a denim cropped jacket with some sneakers and a bandana and a cute leather jacket, because obviously those things look cute and there are like 5 billion videos about how to style a dress like that. This outfit was actually my favorite of the 5 outfits just because it's something that I wouldn't normally wear. I actually got this shirt from Pretty Little Thing like a week ago. I did a haul about it. You should have watched it. If you didn't, that's fine, go watch it. But I was talking like mad crap about this shirt in that haul. I apologize to the shirt. Honestly, I don't really take back what I said because this is truly the only way you can really wear it as is. So I probably will still alter it, but you know, with this outfit, it was pretty cute. So yeah, I hope you like and recreate these looks. Okay, so I think this first look is what the internet might call a soft girl look, question mark. I don't really know, I'm not up to date with the trends. But anyways, my shirt is this satiny pink shirt from Pretty Little Thing. My bag is this cute acrylic crossbody by Lisa and Huang. My beret is a dragon and it's from Shein, and my necklace is from Forever 21. And oh my god, I love my shoes. They're from Lulu's and they're this like faux crocodile leather. So for this look, I'm wearing this unlined and lightweight blazer from H&M. It's just this houndstooth pattern all over it, and it has some yellow in it. It's very clueless vibes, and also looks good without the blazer, so I'm just taking that off. Showing you my fanny pack, which is from Shein. It has this cute little gold detail on the front, and it's really chic. My earrings are from Light Years. They're clip-ons because I can't get my ears pierced, and these are the only earrings I own. And then these shoes are from Nasty Gal, and I just paired them with some black socks. So for this look, I'm going to teach you guys how to make a dress into a shirt using the bra tuck method. If you don't know about this method, all you gotta do is take the hem of your dress and tuck it into your bra to make it look like a shirt. I know it sounds weird, but guys, it actually works and it's super cute. So I also like to tuck in my dress shirt thing that I created just because it helps to disguise the fact that it is a dress that you're wearing. And my jeans are from Urban Outfitters. They're BDG straight leg jeans, and my purse and my necklace are both from H&M. And the shoes that I'm wearing are from Nordstrom Rack. This next look, I love her. So I'm just wearing this regular basic denim shirt, just unbuttoned to give it more of like an easy vibe. And the necklace that I'm wearing, another dragon, love my dragons, is from Shein. I'm wearing the same earrings that I always wear, the gold hoops from Light Years. And then my shoes are from Zaful. Also, I love the patent leather on these combat boots. Okay, last outfit for this look. It's more of a going out look, I would say. I really wouldn't wear this to class, but I mean, you do you, girl. I'm wearing a necklace from Shein, an adorable snake ring from Shein, and then the same gold hoops as always. I like the necklace because it's like layered already. And then the boots are just over the knee boots from Nasty Gal. I love them. Okay, so those are the 5 outfits that I came up with. I hope you like them, recreate them, all that jazz. Also, feel free to subscribe, like, comment on this video. That will really help me out because I have no subscribers. I feel weird talking like this because like this is very new and I truly have no idea what I'm doing. Yeah, I guess that's it. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. Bye!